Hello, this is Troy Kish at Cool Springs Eye Care in Franklin, Tennessee, and I'm here to discuss how to adjust eyeglasses from slipping. Well, sometimes our glasses are maybe widened because of putting them on and off. They get a little wider and a little wider each time like this. So what we do is we have a little tool. This is called a temple bending plier, but if you don't have one of these, we can use a needle nose plier. And of course we would want to take one of the cloths to grab it, and we're just going to grab it in the corner like so. If you can see, I put the cloth over the frame and then I put the plier right there, and I'm going to bend it just a little bit in like that, and I'm going to do the other side the same, just a little bit. And now you can see my temples are a little bit narrower, and this will help them from slipping. Another way to keep them from slipping is the backs of the temples. You can see they have a little curve here. We can bend them a little bit more, but we don't want to bend them all the way, because what will happen is they will hit our bone here, and as we talk it'll push them up, and so they'll even slip even worse. So we want a little bit of tightness here and a little bit of tightness here. And that's pretty much how to adjust the glasses from slipping.